Hi, this is Rosina's Italian Kitchen, but today we're going to make chocolate chip cookies, everybody's favorite. And we're going to start by creaming the butter and the sugars. Now that I have the butter and the sugars creamed, I'm going to add a package of instant vanilla pudding. And I'm just going to beat it in. And then we'll follow up with the eggs and vanilla. Now that we have the instant pudding, vanilla pudding, beat in the creamed sugars, I'm adding the 2 eggs and vanilla. And we're going to stir those in. Now we're going to beat in the eggs and vanilla. So now we're going to blend in the flour and the baking soda. And now we're going to do our final step in making these chocolate chip cookies. We're adding the 2 cups of chocolate chips, and we're going to stir them in, the chocolate chips in. And if you want, nuts are optional, but we're not doing nuts today. We're just adding the chocolate chips. And we're going to mix these well and then put them in the baking sheets and bake them. Now we've been putting the cookie dough in the cookie sheets, getting it ready to bake at 350 for probably 12 minutes or so. Kind of have to check them from time to time. And then we'll show you the end result. We have 1 cookie sheet ready to go in the oven. 350 for about 9 minutes. We just got these out of the oven. They're baked. And now we're ready to enjoy them. Hope you try them.